Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making Peruvian chicken with the green sauce on the side, and I will show you how I do it. Let's get to it. So for this recipe, guys, for the marinade for the chicken, we're going to need some olive oil, some cumin. We need some lime juice, a little bit of sugar. We need some oregano, some grated garlic. Traditionally no onion in there, but I'm going to add some grated onion as well. I have some paprika, some salt and pepper. And here is my chicken. To open the chicken, I cut out the back with my kitchen shears. If you don't have kitchen shears, you can also perform this with your knife. I'm going to cut out the back until it's open completely. Once the chicken is open, I'm going to push down on the chest until I hear it crack. It's a method to make sure the chicken cooks evenly together. I typically wash my chicken with some lime juice and some vinegar. That's just a preference. Also, I separate the skin from the chicken. It's a way to get the marinade in there. I do that throughout the chicken, wherever the skin's covering it. Next, I'm going to add all of the ingredients together to make my marinade. I have my grated garlic, my grated onion. I'm going to throw in my oil. I threw in my lime juice, my sugar, my paprika, my salt and pepper, my cumin, oregano, and I'm going to whisk this thoroughly to make sure everything is well combined. Here is my chicken that's been rinsed and patted dry. I've also poked a few holes in the chicken so the marinade can get into the meat. I'm going to pour my marinade on the chicken and make sure it gets in there as well, under the skin, into the holes that I have poked. And the same goes for the back of the chicken as well. Once I'm done applicating the marinade all over the chicken, it's gonna go into my fridge for 6 to 24 hours. For the green sauce for the chicken, I have sour cream, I have salt and pepper, I have some parsley, which is not traditional. It's typically cilantro, but I prefer parsley, and I have some lime juice. I have 1 habanero pepper and 3 garlic. You can use more habanero if you like, but I only chose to use 1 with the seeds. I have a little bit of mayo, some onion, and some olive oil to bring everything together. Once I added all this to my blender, I pured it until it looks like this. So here's my chicken after 24 hours in the fridge. I'm going to cover this with foil. Here is the juices from the marinade. I'm going to use it to baste the chicken as it bakes so it doesn't dry out. I'm going to cover this with the foil and bake it for about an hour covered and uncover for another 45 minutes. And here, this is what it looked like when it came out. It was falling off the bone. It was so crispy. The skin was so crispy, and it was juicy, and it was delicious. With the cream sauce, it paired really, really well. And I highly recommend you try this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my channel for other videos.